Have you ever pondered the difference between object-oriented programming and functional programming? These are two of the most prominent paradigms in the world of programming, each with its own set of principles and methods. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of these paradigms to understand their distinctive features and how they shape the way we write and understand code. Object-oriented programming, often abbreviated as OOP, is a paradigm that uses objects to design applications and programs. These objects are instances of classes, which are essentially user-defined data types. They encapsulate data and the methods that manipulate this data. Think of it like having a toolbox, where each tool has a specific purpose and works independently of the others, but together they can build something complex and functional. On the other hand, functional programming, or FP, is a paradigm where functions are the primary means of abstraction. That means a program consists of a set of functions, and the output of a program is determined by the inputs to these functions. It's like a production line in a factory where each station transforms the product in some way, and the final product is determined by the sequence of transformations. The key difference between these two paradigms lies in how they manage state and data. In OOP, state and data are bundled together in objects, and methods that want to modify this data must go through the object's interface. This leads to a style of programming where you first define the structure of the objects, and then define how they interact with each other. In contrast, FP avoids state. Functions in FP are stateless, which means the output of a function depends only on its input. This leads to a style of programming where you first define a set of functions and then describe the flow of data through these functions. Another major distinction is how they deal with change and complexity. OOP tends to encapsulate change inside objects via methods, making it easier to understand the local effect of change. This makes OOP a great choice for systems where state needs to be managed and updated by many different actors. FP, on the other hand, deals with complexity by avoiding state and mutable data. This makes FP a good choice for systems where complexity arises from the flow of data and the transformation of data, rather than state that changes over time. In summary, while both OOP and FP are powerful paradigms, they approach the task of programming from different angles. OOP focuses on objects and their interactions, making it great for managing complex state. FP focuses on functions and data flow, making it ideal for managing complex transformations. Remember, the choice between OOP and FP isn't a binary one. Many modern languages support elements of both paradigms, and the best choice often depends on the problem you're trying to solve. So, equip yourself with knowledge of both paradigms, and you'll be well prepared to tackle any coding challenge that comes your way.